Hello everyone, welcome to SD's Chess World and I hope you are doing well. It's time for a chess puzzle, but before going to it, I would like to request you to subscribe the channel and show your support. Now let's go for the puzzle. Now you can see the board. It's white's move and there is a 6 move, 4 checkmate is available for white. I would like to request you to pause the video and go ahead for it. Before going to it, please consider this knight is covering this major square as well as this rook is covering entire file. Now consider this and pause the video. Go for the puzzle. I hope you have found that moves, and if yes, then congratulations, and if no, then that move is rook to e8 with check. Now rook is covering 8th rank, so possible move for king is king to f7, and second move comes knight to d6 with check and also protecting the rook. Now this pawn is covering the square, so king have only one square to move, that is king to g6, and rook comes back to e6 with check, and there is no possible move for the king because rook is taking 6th rank, knight is covering these two squares and these two pawns are covering these squares. That's why rook comes in between on f6 to protect the king. Now taking this rook won't give anything. Next move comes, that is h5 with check. We are opening two square for the king, that is g5 and h6, but wherever kings go it is going to be checkmate in two. Like if it goes to g5, then bishop to d2 with check, and there is no possible square for the king, so rook comes to f4 and bishop takes on f4 with checkmate. And if king tries on h6, then bishop to d2 doesn't give anything because bishop to d2, and now these pawns come in between on g5 and king has this escape route. Although he is losing rook here, so knight to f5 with check. King has only one square to go, so king goes to g5 and bishop to d2 with checkmate. Bishop is covering this entire diagonal as well as pawn is covering this square, also knight is covering this escape square, white king is covering these two squares. Nice puzzle, I hope you like it. If yes, then go ahead, click the like button and share this video with your friends. Please hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching this, and I will see you in the next one.